Lower tray, steel sheet, left and right pressure plates, left and right positioning plates. The cover plate on the folding tray is easy to remove for adjusting the length and width of the folding knife. Disassemble left and right folding knives. Disassemble left and right positioning plates. Click Menu. Device check. Output signal detection. Page down. Fold back the materials. Then manually push the folding tray to the left. Place the replacement left and right positioning plates into the slots. Then pre-tighten them. Adjust the required length according to the scale. Then tighten the screws. Loosen the screws of the front and rear positioning plates. Move the front and rear positioning plates close to the left and right positioning plates. Ensure there is no gap. Then tighten the screws. After the front and back positioning plates are tightened, check if they open and close smoothly. Lower the small press frame. Return the folded materials. Lower the large press frame. Reset the equipment. Install the left and right folding knives. Pre-tighten the screws. For easy forward and backward adjustment. Check the gap between the front, rear, left, and right folding knives and the positioning plates. The left and right folding knives should be centered on the left and right positioning plates, and also centered with the front and rear folding knives. If not centered, adjust them to the center. The top of the folding knife's edge should be 1:1. 5 mm from the bottom of the positioning plate. Adjust the folding knife downward for thick materials. Adjust the folding knife upward for thin materials. Ensure the edges of the front, rear, left, and right folding knives and positioning plates are at a distance of 1 mm. Tighten the screws. All folding knives and positioning plates adjustments are complete. Install the cover plate on the folding tray. Reset the equipment. Click Menu. Device check. Scroll down. Return the folded material. Manually push the folded material tray to the left. Replace the manganese steel sheet. First, remove the existing manganese steel sheet. Then, replace it with the necessary manganese steel sheet. Ensure the distance between the front and back position limiting plates is consistent with the exposed part of the manganese steel sheet. Adjust the clearance between the manganese steel sheet and the small press frame. First, loosen the bracket screws on both the front and back ends. Adjust so that the small teeth in the front and back keep the 0.5 mm clearance with the positioning plate. Both the left and right gaps of the manganese steel sheet and the left and right gaps of the small press frame teeth should maintain a 2.5 millimeters clearance. 2.5 millimeters. Tighten the screws after adjustment. Ensure the small press frame doesn't hit the manganese steel sheet during vertical movement. Also, ensure it doesn't press on the manganese steel sheet. Replace the tray. First, loosen all the screws fastening the tray. Remove the tray. Place the new tray. Pre-tighten the 2 middle screws. Adjust the tray with slight force. Move the collection tray to the left. Draw a positioning line for the tray. After drawing the positioning line for the tray, move the collection tray to the right. Move the outer tray to the front, closer to the operator. Insert the tray. Place the tray at the position of the pre-drawn boundary lines. Align the center of the tray opening. Align the tray correctly. Tighten the screws. Repeat the same procedure for the second tray as for the first. After adjusting the tray, move the outer tray to the back. Next, move the removed tray to the left. Begin creating the sewing file. Place a piece of paper tape at the laser cutting point. Then make a single laser point to aid in precise laser alignment. Now align the completed files and templates. Align the laser with the small hole on the reference paper. Locate the edge line using the reference material. Ensure the reference material edge is 1 unit from the laser cut point, 5 millimeters. The starting point is located at the 1 millimeter intersection of the right and lower reference materials. Enter Quick Edit Pattern Interface. Select the pattern you wish to edit. Single triangle sewing and cutting. Double triangle sewing and cutting. Input length and width. Save and exit. Save as new document. Exit and reset the device. Next, proceed to adjust and modify the pattern. Pattern modifications will be explained in another video.